Y'all, I'm just getting out of bed and stuff, but yeah, welcome to the series of my Chrysler 300. All right, before we start, I'm gonna show y'all niggas what this Chrysler 300 look like. The purpose of this series is to teach y'all young niggas how to mod your Chrysler 300. Don't matter what kind of 300 it is a 300. And the first thing I'm doing is tinting the windows. But before I show you what I did to it already, I'm going to show you what it looked like when I first got it. It looks like now all I did was I tinted the front window 20. I did the 25 here, 15 all around, and it looks already more sporty. So here's the first thing that I did. This Chrysler 300 Hemi C. We got the V8 in it, '07. 66,000 miles. Oh, I locked it. Hold up, give me a second. I'll be back. I locked the door. 66,000 miles on it. Lights are already LED. Fog lights LED. And this is basically stock. So this is, yeah. I only got it for 66,000 miles. You see it on the odometer. I bought it last week. It's a Luxuria jump, V8 engine. And all I did was tinted the windows on it. So yeah, as you see, it still got the chrome rims on it. There's no tint there yet. As you see, I'm gonna show y'all niggas what I'm gonna do. That's all I'm gonna say. Be quiet about the moves and stuff. And yeah, all right. As y'all can see, the tints already make that junk look so much cleaner, and it makes it look so much better. And yeah, this is just a series on, how to make your car look sweet on a budget. I only paid $240 for the tints, and the car itself was $8,000. 66,000 miles. You can't beat that bitch with a broom. But yeah, I'm gonna post a video every 2 weeks letting y'all niggas know what I did, and yeah, we're gonna get into it. So hope y'all enjoy the video.